Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Technitize. Today we will discuss a very interesting way to use ChatGPT automation. In this video I will step by step guide you on how to automate ChatGPT so you can create content in bulk without using any paid services like APIs or plugins. And this method will not only save you money but also time and frustration, and you are going to love it. Before going into detail, I would request you to subscribe my channel Technitize so I could bring you more skillful videos like this. At this stage, you might have a question that I'm already using a ChatGPT for free. Then why I'm using this method? Let's say you have a website like a blog website or a content website or a job board, and you want to copy content from other websites to your. So for this purpose you can use ChatGPT. For example, I have downloaded content from a site and I want to rewrite it. So what I do is paste content which I have downloaded from a site and press enter. What this is doing is it is rewriting the content to look like totally different from the original one. Basic theme will remain the same, basic data, basic information, everything will remain the same, but it will change to look like totally different. The only problem with this one is that it will consume a lot of time to write content for you, and this cannot be done manually if you have a large number of content. For example, in this file I have 815 articles or posts here, so I cannot do it one by one, it will take ages. Now there are two ways to do so. One is to buy paid services like API or plugins. They are available online in the market. The other one is totally free, which I am going to step by step guide you. So for this purpose we will use two platforms. One is ChatGPT and second one is Octoparse. Octoparse is a web scraping software. You can extract content from any website using this data extractor or data scraper, and it is totally free to use. There are multiple packages, standard, professional, enterprise, but we are going to use free plan. So you can download from this link I will provide in description. Once you have downloaded it, install and run. You are going to see a window like this. I already have a username and password, but you can also log in using Google. So let me log in using this one. You need to register, but it will automatically register it. And now go back to it. It is logging in. Once you are logged in, you will see a welcome page. You need to hover on new and click on custom task. Inside custom task you will find URL input. Here you need to paste ChatGPT URL in this format only. It is very important to use this format only. Click save. And once the page is loaded, you need to enable browser. Click log in. Here you need to log in to your ChatGPT username, email address or password. After you are logged in, you will see a pop-up window. You need to close it and then disable browse mode. Okay, as you can see, if you hover on any element, it will be highlighted. You need to click only on send a message and then enter text. enter text in loop. Click on this button and this will open a window. In this window you need to paste text that you need to rewrite. For instance, I have already downloaded some text here. I need to copy and paste in this window. But before you copy, make sure there are no line breaks. This is very important. If there are, you can remove them by clicking Ctrl H and then press Ctrl J. In this window you need to press Ctrl J. Let me repeat. First, select the content you want to rewrite, then press Ctrl H and Ctrl J and then replace all. So I have already done it, so I'm going to paste it and confirm. In this option, which is highlighted as blue, enter text, click options, wait before action. You need to set a timer of almost 1 minute and hit the enter. Click apply and save. So it has already started working. Now click on dashboard. You will find your task here with this name. You can rename here. If you click here, you will see option run. You can also find option run from here. So click on it and click standard mode. Our free plan will only allow us standard mode. It will not run on cloud. Once you can see a page, you need to pause immediately because you need to log in again using same email or password. Once you are logged in, then you need to click resume and it will start working. What it will do is to rewrite all the content you provided in this section here. This will take a while, so you don't have to wait. You can run this time overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, all your content will be rewritten and they will be ready to download. Now next step is to download the entire job that was written overnight by ChatGPT through Octoparse. In order to do so, we need to create another custom task by hovering over new and then click custom task. Enter ChatGPT at URL, click save. Once you are logged in, you need to click on the tab that has content inside. Click on it and then click URL. Once the page is loaded, hover on the section. Make sure that you select entire row. Click on 1 and 2. So it will select the entire content, and now click on text. Apply and rename your content as ChatGPT content. Save and run. Click on standard mode. It will extract the entire content into Excel file. Let me show you. Once it starts, click on pause. After you are logged in, click resume and it has downloaded the entire content in 39 seconds. Click export You can choose any format you like, but I prefer Excel. Click OK, save and open file. You see it has provided us the entire content with both options, our provided content and ChatGPT version. So we can remove our content, original job, and retain only ChatGPT. The easy way to do so is to use filter option. You can click data and then click filter. And inside filter type ChatGPT and press OK. Copy entire content into a new sheet. Now you have the content that is ready to upload on your website, but don't forget to remove ChatGPT from the text. Well guys, that's a wrap for today's video on Octoparse and ChatGPT automation. We hope you have learned something new. If you liked what you saw and want more videos like this, don't forget to click subscribe, give us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. If you have got any topic or question or ideas for us, just drop them in comments below. And thanks for hanging out with us. We shall catch you in the next video. Happy learning.